Who's ready for an unpack with me? Room 3732. It's a preferred room right by our car. It's literally the biggest room at Disney I've ever seen. As far as storage space, we have this area. So that's a storage space. Those big doors are storage. See how deep they go. It's not too bad. Perfect. Okay, and then we have these drawers that are pretty deep. What's your favorite food? And then we have this little space right there. That's good. And we have this great storage right here. We keep all of our foods there. We have a great area right here for storage. Another area here. Oh, it's super cute. I love our room. It makes me want to stay longer.
Just saying that you share a set of cameras everywhere all the time.
We keep our stuff safe. It won't be in the bathroom.
Yeah.
So I had all of our park clothes. We have 2 park days, and then a Halloween party night will be in a costume. So all of our 2 park days I kept together in a plastic bag so I wouldn't have a mix up. I'm wearing my angry shirt. Nice.
It's good to be here, though. I think you'll feel good.
Yeah, I think we're feeling good. Oh, I love it. We have like our own little villa.
And it's his makeup room.
No, I just love it so much.
Yeah.
I discovered.
Like
You see
the
that
parking lot.
in his makeup mirror? No.
Okay, so this is what we have left for clean road trip clothes. Those will be on our way back to Oklahoma. These are outfits that we're gonna have as extras for the parks. These 2 pants are for me and Serenity if we get cold. This is for Brady if he gets cold. We also have like some long sleeves that me and Serenity would wear. These are what we wore last year, and I'm gonna have them in my bag so we can just slip them on and take like a remake of that photo. So for each of us, we have 2 park day outfits. This is my first park day outfit. This is my second park day outfit. Same for Roman. First park day, second park day. Serenity's first park day, second park day. Brady's first park day, second park day. I'm going to put those in the second drawer, so. Alright, so I'm just gonna pack up road trip clothes that we have left that are clean so that they're out of the way and we can take those back to the car even if we want it. But this way, we know where they are, they're clean, they're ready to go. We'll put the dirty laundry in a separate bag also. I was going to ask because the front desk will give you a box fan that you can plug in if you need a fan, but at this resort and this specific room, it has an amazing little powerful guy up here, so that's really helpful. We love this room. We're so happy. So happy. I like how Disney has their Joffreys. They also have their teas, and their creamer is the light. Love it. We got some extra goodies he wants to add. We have a lot of extra stuff. I might have Brady go over that later, what all he got. So we got the preferred room for wheelchair accessible. And what I love about this is that it has this really heavy duty door that like closes. At the other resorts I go to, it literally is a curtain. So that I really, really love. He says, I have a woman for that. Anything?
Why is it the last one already?
I know.
Hey. See this? Are you
They ate a whole box of Gushers since they've been in the room for 20 minutes. Yeah, in the first 20 minutes of being here. Yeah.
They only came with 6.
That's not that bad.
So you make 2 and 48.
That's not that bad. I mean, 6 is not a lot to go with. So I thought it was like 20 houses. So Belle has a ride.
See the water? Want to put it right there?
The beast has arrived.
I have a question. I didn't see an iron in here.
There's one in here, the ironing board and everything.
Okay, because my,
Yes, we have everything we need. Yay!
I have one
Here, that's right. We're not going anywhere tonight. We're gonna go swim.
and the white
Okay.
with her robe, so I got the robe, the kimono, and then I got.
So we're gonna put them right here. I wish there was a bar right here, but there's not. All right, now we're gonna hang up Miss Bell.
They're in there in the cooler.
See, I wish this one had a pole right there, but it doesn't. Only the short one does. Mom, come look at this. I wanted her thing to hang up, but they don't have a pole up there. It's only right here.
Hang on.
I think I'm gonna hang it up from the curtain rod.
Yeah.
It just would air out better. So it's okay?
Will the door need it?
No. Let me try.
I was just worried about that.
Mom. Some of the stuff that I brought to help us out. Got our kids goblets from the Beast Council last year. Love that. Brady's cameras. We're gonna have those set up. Roman's dead. We'll wait then. Not all Disney rooms have these, so we're lucky.
There's some jam or something in my ice chest.
I'll get it.
Disappointed in the closet layout.
My laptop right there.
Stop, you guys.
Guys, we're sharing. We don't need to be a jerk. If you're not gonna play, you should just let your brother play. Alright, this is where I'm gonna put them.
Look at there. You see all that? They've actually chewed all the way through. Just wonder which one. It's a mystery.
I like that's a good use of that space right there. So I made this for our little road trip, just so we had things in case anything happened. This is for motion sickness, Dramamine or whatever it's called. Dramamine. So that's motion sickness, and I also have this type as well. Band-aids in case we get like rubbing on our foot or anything. Then we have mushroom gummies right there. We have Tylenol and Advil in here. Extra strength Tylenol is in there as well. We have oregano oil, that's like an antibiotic, natural antibiotic. And then we have liquid Oragel, and I have the other type of Oragel in my purse, just in case something crazy happens. And then this, of course. And we have gauzes of a few different varieties and styles. We have antiseptic wipes or whatever they're called.
Yeah.
We have Alka-Seltzer. Would you like one?
No, I bet so.
We have flesh-colored Band-Aids in case you're an adult and you don't want one of those other kind. We have peroxide right here. We have different gauze tapes and different ointments for like stings.
Excellent.
And stuff like that. And this is for cramping and bloating. All natural. All right, that's it. I thought just in case.
I brought this just in case when she starts to cry.
Yeah.
Fun fact, but historically Mickey Mouse's first
Get down.
words ever spoken was hot dog.
I do. I remember it.
The only thing I really didn't like about that house was that the washer and dryer were too
The neighbors were a little.
Watching the cranes and the egrets walk around and just
You loved looking at the moon.
I loved it. I loved the kind of little patio out there. I loved it. I loved it. If I knew that by your dad, I think I could have that kind of thing again.
Oh yeah.
And
So put this stuff up here. Perfect. Love it. We got some cargo pants or shorts. He really needed these. They didn't have any in adult size, so we had to get a really large child size. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so we got some stuff. We got a few things actually. We have grapes, my mom's favorite cheese. We have string cheese, mozzarella. But we have Red Bulls for me and Brady. We have creamer so that we don't have to like worry about that. We have a nice big thing of almond creamer because I'm lactose intolerant. Some of this. We have a couple different types of coffee actually, just in case, but we have instant coffee and that. And then we have, Then we have some different brain shots and brain juices. For example, like this is one. So those are getting cold. We got some of these for my mom and the kids. We got things like this, a whole bunch of different flavors of this kind. Cottage cheese. So here's some last minute things we grabbed from Walmart in Orlando. I needed this for Serenity's costume to pin it up so it doesn't drag on the ground because that's a safety hazard. I got this for a hair clippy for my hair, and I got these tweezers because I was literally without them and I don't want that mess. My husband and I used to travel on the pipeline when he was a traveling welder, and I used to both love and hate packing up and unpacking every week at a new hotel. But sometimes I really miss it because of these parts. I love to organize. I love also being placed under forced minimalism. When you only have so many things, it's so easy to stay organized. And when you move every week with toddlers like I was, you're a minimalist. There's no choice. We ended up taking over 5 different types of sunblock and sunscreen. Even though I'm not a huge fan of sunscreen, it's a long time under the sun, so we weren't taking any risks. However, I will say we didn't get one sunburn until the day we came home and went into a football game and a parade back to back, and we all got burned. It was a letdown. Sure, in retrospect, there was a lot of things that I packed and took with us that we probably didn't need, but every time we fly, I always wish I had brought more stuff or was able to bring more things and have more choices, so I definitely wasn't going to miss that opportunity. So with that came some things I didn't use. Although in the grand scheme of things, I ended up using almost everything we did bring. So it was actually a really good trip as far as the packing goes. So here's the final setup. I have a lot of big plans on some makeup looks and outfit ideas and some transition videos that I want to show you guys from this spot right here. So I really hope you guys enjoy what I have planned for you. Like I've told my husband and my children several times this trip, this is my Super Bowl. This is what we've been training for. And I am so excited to share with you guys all of my tips and tricks. Okay, I'm about to go to the pool for the first time. I'm going to leave my phone here in charge and we're going to use our GoPro. So, see you later. Everything I ate at Disney. I am having a Cuban from Caribbean Beach Resort with my husband, and the other half is what? There's something yummy.
Swashbuckler?
Swashbuckler. And it was really interesting. It had some interesting things on it, like coconut stuff, and I wanted to try that really bad. So, and fries. So, yummy. I love a good Cuban. We were literally waking up at dawn to rope drop in the morning at the parks, and I could not find myself to go to bed. I wanted to make everything ready and perfect for the morning, and I couldn't stop looking at my family sleeping. I was so excited for the next day. I even found myself outside and really just soaking it all in. I'm obsessed with Disney, and not just Disney movies, but the parks themselves, the culture of it all. and I dream about this place. Like literally, I could not take in enough of it. It was like my shutter was on full exposure. If Disney was something that you could eat, I would find I was never filled up. I talk like I've been to the parks 100 times. This is only my 3rd trip, and the first trip I was 6 months pregnant. Got to bring my mom. Thankfully, Brady brought my mom the first time. On that trip, we had both of our daughters at that time. The next trip, we brought my oldest daughter and my son. And now we got to bring my mom back. Truly a full circle moment. And I'm so excited to start our very first park day tomorrow. It's so magical to be here at Disney. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you tomorrow.